Hello and welcome everybody, and I'm sporting a brand new haircut for the year 2020. So thumbs up if you enjoy this haircut, and don't even dare do thumbs down unless you have a comment right down below to tell me what you think of my hair for the brand new year. So coming up for the new year, lots of extra reviews, and we're going to be kicking off this year with a brand new sunglasses and a brand new keyboard, so we can check it out. Oh yeah, this looks good on me. Maybe this will be the next review. The Oakley sunglasses. This is no cheap sunglass, by the way. It's like $200 set. Now I want to talk about this right here. This is the Logitech K380 multi-device keyboard. The great thing about this small keyboard is that it doesn't have this small thing that you plug in into USB port, which is a plus because nobody needs that small thing. Plus, this is a multi-device thing. Not only it works just about on any kind of a thing, Mac, PC, iPads, laptops, computers, anything, just about. The only thing that is a little bit of a pain here is setting this up. It takes a little bit of the preferences, and it takes like less than a minute for you to set this up. Now, the good thing about this is that this works great with this, which is the iPad. And this is the iPad mini, so the big iPad, it might work better. A few issues with this if you're going to be using this to write things with. You don't have anything to put this as a stand, so it doesn't have a place that you can put this as the stand itself. And of course you can use this for your iPhone or smartphone or any phone that is smart for that matter. So this is great because of that. The package itself is kind of super lame. We're talking about like really lame. There is nothing here. It doesn't look great. It is okay, but what can you expect with something for like $30? This is cheap. This is like something that you're getting if your keyboard goes bad and you have to have it. You're going on a trip and you need something that is super cheap, and if it breaks, you don't care about this money. Well, $30 is a lot for some people, but for most people, this is just junk. Just $30, good. So this is in some ways great cheap keyboard for you to get. In other ways, it is small, it is slim, but the downside, it is a bit heavy. Doesn't have the numero pad on the side, and yeah, it is what it is. Not a bad thing that you can get for super cheap price, but then again, it's not the best either. So think about this as a great replacement keyboard for yourself if you do need one. So a close-up video of this keyboard and how it looks like. When you're typing it in, the keys are very good. They're not sticky or anything. I do like the way it actually feels. It is cheap. You can feel it is cheap. It is not an expensive keyboard by any means. Also, this opens up, and every time I open it I think I'm gonna break it, so be careful with that. You only need to put 2 AA batteries inside this thing. Not a big deal, and it should last you about a year or two maybe. So that is a waste in some ways. Closing it up, it pretty much goes in one way, then you just close it like this. Every time I close it I think I'm gonna break this, and I haven't broken it yet. It does have those things right here so it doesn't move. One thing you do notice with this keyboard is how heavy, how very heavy this is for something that looks like super lightweight. I think there should be like twice as less weight as it is. Because it is so slim and small, I don't think it justifies how big, cumbersome, and heavy it actually is. In fact, it almost weighs as much as my iPad right here. Almost the same weight. So this is what I don't like about this. Other than that, it is an excellent keyboard for its price. It is slim, it is small in size. It makes a great keyboard if you do need something for yourself, just in case of an emergency, or taking this to the beach on vacation where you don't want to spend a lot of money on a keyboard. Just something special that you can use for a wide variety of different kind of devices.